Hello, science lovers. Welcome back to my channel, Coffee Science Tutorial, where we explore the wonders of science on one experiment at a time. Welcome back. Today, we'll be looking on a topic which I titled water. This is a chemistry topic. Honestly, we all know what water is. By far, water is life depends on water generally. You find out that most plants and animal tissues are made up of what? Water. And by far, water cover the 80% of the earth crust. As we all know, generally water is basis for life. We all use water on daily daily activities. We don't really use water only for drinking. We use much of it both in washing, cooking, taking care of some of our livestock and rest of it. And this water we are using, they have their sources where they are being sourced, which we termed the origination of water. That is where water comes from. You have water, the water that comes from rainfall. We have water from rainfall. We have water, well water. We equally have water from streams, from rivers, and the rest of it. So with this, we are going to look at types of water. There are two major types of water, which are natural water and treated water. Now, by what is natural water? As we all know, natural water includes water we get from rain, the water from the spring, the water from river, from stream, from our well, from the sea, oceans. They are what we refer as natural sources of water. Amongst all these natural sources of water, the purest water for consumption is the rainwater. Although it contain little amount of what? Why is it contain little amount of what? Mineral salts. And how is this rainwater formed? It's formed by condensation, by gathering of water as a result of either evaporation from seas, from the land, from the oceans and other water bodies. This is how well water is formed. Another type of natural water is water from the well. Well, as we all know, is also a way of getting water naturally. And it's also another way of getting a pure water that we can use as a drinking source of water when the well is really deep down, when it's deep down, not a shallow well. And also when using it as a source of probably drinking or for domestic purposes, the well water ought to be sited away from the tank underground tank, that is soak away. These are the natural sources of water, although some of them contain little amounts of what? Bacteria, just like the way we have a river water and the rest of it. Now, the treated water. We have another type of water called the treated water. The treated water, they are water meant for special purposes. The water we use in the laboratories. Water like distilled water, we have chlorinated water, okay, and also pipe-borne water. They are all treated water. They are mostly used in the laboratory for a special purposes. For special purposes and all of it. The most purest of this form of treated water, as we all know, is the distilled water, which is formed as a result of what? Condensation of the steam. That is how distilled water is being recovered or collected. And it's mostly used in the laboratory for preparation of what? Reagents. It's used for preparation of reagents, and also it can be used in the laboratory either for used for preparation of drugs. It can also use for preparation of drugs and other things. And it is also used it's also used industrially for some industrial purposes. That is it for today experiments. If you find this topic interesting, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more science content. Thanks.